What is up, y'all? This is Alex again from Alex PC Tech, back at you with another video, and today we're gonna be reviewing the MSI GK701 mechanical keyboard. This is a full-size gaming keyboard that is thick with a subtle MSI design, and if you like red, it comes backlit in red to complement your setup. It is 650 grams and the finish is semi-glossy, and the 104 keycaps are built with double-shot ABS plastic material. The stabilizers are fine and there's no wobble when it came out of the box. Below, those are the Cherry MX switches by default, and this has by default the brown ones. They feel nice and comfortable to type on, and you can change them to other Cherry MX colors if you wish so. Here is a sound test. The angle of the keys from the side descends evenly. Down below, we have the pop-out stance to change the elevation of the keyboard based on your preference, and of course the anti-slip rubbers on all the four corners. The cable is wired, but take note that it is sleeved and the USB connector is gold-plated to avoid corrosion and for it to be more conductive. So that is actually a nice touch to the keyboard. Build quality is decent and there's really nothing to complain about it if you are not banging on your keyboard whenever you encounter map hackers or you use it as an output in order to rage quit on your games, okay? Functionalities, we have the multimedia hotkeys. If you press F5 to F11 with the function key, game mode when you press function key and F12. Of course, the game mode is to disable the Windows function when you are gaming. And the F1 key to cycle through the backlight modes. We have the on, off, we have the WASD on, and the arrow keys as well. And you have the breathing, light breathing, background breathing. Some things that I wish that they would have included with the box is a keycap spooler in case you want to clean your keyboard. Another thing that I wish that they have included in the box, I don't know if this is just me, just some wishful thinking, is that I wish that they would have included a wrist rest, because due to the height of the motherboard, your wrist might feel a little bit strained in long hours of gaming time. But that's just me. If you have probably big arms, then that wouldn't be a problem. So that's about it, given that this is a no-frills gaming keyboard that really shouts that it is for gamers based on the design, the colors, and the font. In its price point, like $100 to $120 US, I guess that would be a little bit steep, as there are other competitive keyboards that are out in the market. Nonetheless, it's a really nice no-frills keyboard that is really aimed at gaming. That would be it. Please do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and shout out to MSI Gaming Middle East for sending over this keyboard and letting us win their Eid contest. Thank you so much. I'll put a link of their social media channels down on the description and somewhere on the screen below. And for sending Tiamat here, thank you so much. And to sending this shirt and some goodies as well, because we actually joined their contest and we won. So thank you so much. This is actually the second time that I won something here in the UAE, so thank you, kudos to MSI for doing that to us gamers, content creators, and of course the community, the PC community. See you on the next video. Let the light, the summer night to the center go.